Oh gosh, dude. Peter, my life expectancy is going down right now. Why couldn't we put this on an old car? What's up, everybody? Here with my buddy Peter. He's got this sweet new 2021 Charger RT, and we've got this wicker bill here from PS Designs. We're about to get started on that. See how it goes. You nervous?
Very nervous.
Because we have to drill like 8 25/64 holes in this perfectly painted spoiler here. But it's gonna look good. We're gonna drill them right, and if we mess up, it's your car, not mine, so. All right, here we go. You ready, Peter?
Yeah.
All right. In the center, Jake. Oh, that's a little scary. I'm not gonna lie. Look at the other one. Are you crying inside right now?
A little bit.
Okay. Woo! I think we did okay. All right, here we go. Here's the big boy. 25/64. Dude, it's not lined up. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh,
Try to take it easy. This bit is very sharp. Trying to be gentle, Peter. Okay, there's one. I'll go with a little more speed. Well, maybe not. This thing is so freaking sharp. Get some snips. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Now we can breathe a little easier. These are started already. Good as well. Set this aside. And then we'll get these riv nuts in. Here we go. Peter the camera guy. All right, so this kit comes with riv nuts, which are like a nut and a rivet all in one. So there's like the rivet end, and we are going to install it using this tool that will pull this rivet tight after it's installed. Got a nice snug fit. We're gonna crank that down. And again, if I mess this up, it's okay, because it's not my car. I promise, Peter, your car's okay.
it's in good hands.
Like Allstate. All right, let's back this off and see what it looks like. There you go, get a close up on that bad boy. Good install. Just doesn't feel right drilling into that pretty brand new paint, does it, Peter? All 8 pilot holes drilled, which was nerve-wracking, especially for Peter. Like a new mother or a new father waiting on a child to be delivered over here. All right, we gotta drill the big holes. Peter, I can't believe you're letting me do this.
I trust you. Trust you a lot more than
We'll
myself.
see if you still trust me after this. Dude, that just scares me. This bit is so sharp and that just looks so horrible. Get rid of this. That is scary, Peter. That is scary. That's so scary. I do not like that. That drill bit is so sharp, it just sucks in and gets all this material hugged out. I just hit you.
Yeah.
It's like a nasty fingernail there. All right, we're halfway there. We've got 4 out of 8. Did I say it? No. Okay. Oh my gosh, Peter, I'm freaking so nervous right now. Oh my gosh. In my mind, that just like
Shoot
pushed
right
up
out.
there. Oh my gosh. I don't like this.
Yeah, all my trust is in you right now. I wouldn't trust myself.
Oh my gosh. I literally have to keep the drill bit from getting sucked in. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, dude. Peter, my life expectancy is going down right now. Why couldn't we put this on an old car? Like in my mind, I'm gonna look and this will be all spider webbed and like pushed down from underneath. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I wish we could tell what my heart rate is right now. All right, 2 to go. And we're getting on the tougher side now, so. Oh my gosh, man. Freaking A. All right. All right, we're 7 out of 8.
Almost.
Oh my gosh, Peter. I don't know if I'm doing this next time. No, I'm just kidding. Woo! dude. That was legit nerve-wracking. We have all 8 drilled now. We're gonna take our 2 bolts out, get this out of the way, put the rest of the riv nuts in, and just breathe a little easier. The hard part's over.
Hard part's over.
Hopefully, if I did it right. I think we're good. We're gonna find out. Here we go. Oh yeah. No casualties so far. Just stress level through the roof. Legit big sigh of relief here. We've got all 8 riv nuts installed. They look really good. It's actually a great little system here. So now you've got this very clean setup on the spoiler, and now all 8 bolts can go into those to fasten the wicker bill to the spoiler. Dude, making progress. For real though. This is a brand new car. We're drilling holes all through it, so we need to practice on a piece of crap next time. Looking good. We're in good shape. Dude, what do you think?
It's amazing. It looks so good.
Dude, it really does.
Excited.
Really sets this thing off, and when you get a set of wheels on this thing,
Oh yeah.
and you're gonna slam it to the ground, right?
100%.
Against your own will. That turned out awesome. It was quite nerve-wracking drilling the holes, but not too bad. You didn't have to drill the holes, so.
I watched.
We both almost had a heart attack drilling the holes, just because it's such a nice new car. But it's super clean, and it's got the see-through center section. Super clean kit. And this is for like all
15?
15 up. Great product.